Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that many C# developers face when working with the try pattern. The issue revolves around the confusion between the MaybeNullWhen and NotNullWhen attributes. These attributes play a key role in providing nullability hints through static analysis. You might be wondering, are they really that different despite seeming to cover opposite conditions? It can be a bit puzzling to distinguish their precise functions. Now, diving into the solution, there's an interesting backstory to consider. Nullable reference types, along with the MaybeNullWhen and NotNullWhen attributes, were introduced in C number 8. However, a crucial syntax element, t, denoting a generic type as defaultable, only came into play in C number 9. This chronological evolution sheds light on the necessity for a distinct attribute. Think about it like a puzzle coming together in stages to provide a comprehensive solution. To wrap things up, we've unraveled the mystery surrounding the MaybeNullWhen and NotNullWhen attributes in C#. The vital role played by these attributes in nullability hints is now clearer. Remember, C# has evolved over time, introducing features incrementally to enhance the language's functionality and clarity. So, next time you're implementing the try pattern, keep in mind the nuances between these attributes. Well, it's time to bid farewell. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or a good coding joke. Happy coding!